Hey guys, my wife has tasked me with a little project to build a little curiosity board, which from what I gather is to have lots of little locks and little things from B&Q on a board for your little ones to play with. So here's a little how-to guide to put one together. Pretty straightforward really. Just have a plank of MDF, pretty thick. I think this is about 18mm. And then a box of goodies. So got a little coaster wheel, some little cheap door handles, a little lock, just a hinge, another little outside gate lock thing, a little latch, pulley, what else is in here, and that's about it. But we simply screw them into the board, and apparently the little ones love it. So here goes. So I tend to find the screws you get with most of this stuff are pretty useless. So I have bought with me some more. These probably will be just about big enough. They are 20mm in length. Yeah, they won't look as pretty, but they should work a bit better. Now, I don't think I'm going to bother pilot drilling holes in this. We'll see how it holds up. Now we have our little curiosity board. That's it. Nice and simple. Didn't cost too much. Just pop it all together. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more little tips and tricks like this. Thanks.